Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Beacons AI, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you sell your ebook with Beacons AI? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to sell your ebook on Beacons AI anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business and you're using Beacons AI to distribute your products, you can actually list your ebook, and that way when you get traffic, they have the option to purchase directly from your beacons. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Beacons AI dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Beacons account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to sell your ebook, here on the left side, you're going to click on digital products. Okay, before we go any further, I want to let you know this is assuming you've already created your ebook. If you need help creating an ebook, go back and watch my other video that describes that in detail. Once you have your ebook in a PDF, first what we're going to do is we're going to create the product. After we create the product, we're going to go to our link in bio, and we're going to add the product into our link in bio. So here on digital products, we're going to go ahead and click on new product here on the right. Once you do that, you're going to see these four options. You want to click on digital product. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see these four options at the top. So first we're going to go ahead and design the product. I always want to go ahead and change the URL first off. So I'm going to click in here and rename this. So Anthony Cool ebook. And I always name it something related to the product. Now we're going to go ahead and add a title here on the right side. Click on product title. So Anthony ebook. Okay, and once you titled it, go ahead and go back. We're going to click in here and add a price. Here we can go ahead and notate the price, a set price, pay what you want, mark as on sale, which is what I like to do. So I always put this at, let's say $100, but we're selling it now for $50. So that way they feel like they're getting a discount. Change the currency. You can add a discount code. So for example, all of my YouTube viewers, I might add a discount code YouTube, and then everybody there gets a 50% discount, and then save. Okay, now we're done with the pricing, and we're going to just work our way through. Description. So this is a great ebook on Beacons AI. All right, now I'm going to go back, and then here on media, go ahead and add a thumbnail. So add image, upload an image. Okay, now you can go ahead and crop the image and accept, and you can see it updates here on the left. And then I'm going to go ahead and look here. You can add order bumps. You can limit the amount of sales on this ebook. So I'm not going to go through all of the different settings. If you need help setting up a product, go back and watch my other video that describes that in complete detail. Okay, so now we're done, and we're going to move on to the checkout button here on the top. Okay, by default, they're going to need to enter in their name and their email address, and it's going to see their total right here. So if you want to collect more information from them, you can just add field, and let's say maybe we want their phone number. We can add their phone number in there as well and require that. And let me go back. All right, next we're going to go on success screen. Okay, so this is their thank you page. Thank you for buying my ebook. Okay, and lastly, email receipt. Okay, so this is what the receipt looks like. Okay, so that looks pretty good. So let's go ahead and click on product files here on the top. Okay, next we're going to go ahead and click right here, upload file. So this is where you can upload your PDF ebook. Okay, now it just uploaded right here. If you need to add another file, you can do that, up to 6 files it says. Let's close this out. Okay, now you can see on the email receipt, they're going to get a download button so they can immediately download this ebook. And next, here on the top right, click on next. Okay, next, it confirms the product is live. So now we have created our ebook product in Beacons. So let me close this out. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go up here on the left, link in bio. Okay, so here is our link in bio. And what we're going to do now is I'm going to click on add block. Once you add a block, you're going to scroll down and click on products. Once you click on products, choose this one, digital products, and hit the black add button. Once you do that, you can go ahead and choose which one of these layouts you like. For me personally, I like this one right here, text right. Okay, now we are editing the text right here, and we're going to add our Anthony ebook right here and click on plus. Okay, now you can see it adds it off here to the right. Okay, so let me go back to the home page, and then we'll go back here to link in bio. And if we go in link in bio, we scroll down, we're going to be able to see our ebook that we created. So as you can see, my users are going to be able to go in here and click buy now for my $50 ebook on Beacons AI. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to sell your ebook in Beacons AI, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.